Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to talk about multiplying and dividing by 10, 100, and 1000. Let's take a look what we have here. We have 12 times 10. Okay, so let's first take a look. So 12, right? We got 2 at what? Ones place. Okay, and 1 at what? Tens place. Okay, when we multiplying by 10, that means 2 going to have will become tens place, and 1 will becomes hundreds place. Okay, so at ones place we have what? We will have 0 there. Okay, so A equals to 120. So basically, what does it mean? It means that we're going to shift each number from here, 2 from here, ones place to tens place, and 1 from tens place to the hundreds place. Okay, so shifting them to the left. All right, so let's take a look at our second example. So 15 times 100 equals to what? So let's take a look. 5 first, 5 at ones place, right? So and 1 at tens place again. Okay, so and times 100, that means we are going to shift how many place to the left? So by times 10, we are shifting just 1 place to the left, right? So times 100 is equals to what? Times 10 and times 10 again, right? So that's times 100. So this time that means we're going to shift 2 places. Okay, so 5 from here shifting to hundreds place, and 1 from here shifting to what? Thousands place. Okay, so together we have 1,500. Okay, that's times 100. And when we're trying to times 1,000, let's see what did happen. So we have 132 times 1,000. Okay, 2, we're going to shift from what? So 1,000 equals to what? Times 10, times 10, times 10. Right? So that's why we're going to shift 3 places. Okay, so 2 from here to 1, 2, 3, right? So from here to thousands place, and 3 from here to again to 10,000 place. Okay, and 1 from here to 100,000 place. Okay, so as a result we have 132,000 with 3 zeros. Okay, so that's about multiplication. Let's take a look at division. Okay, so we have 120 divided by 10. Right, so we have 0 at ones place, 2 tens, and 1 hundreds place. Okay, so divide by 10, we already know that equals to 12, right? But what happened, right? So we are going to shift what? 2 from tens becomes ones place, right? So from here to here, and 1 from hundreds place becomes what? Tens place, from here to here, so that we have 12, right? So basically division is we are going to, if we divide by 10, we're going to shift the numbers from left to right. Okay, so we are going to by dividing by 10, we're going to shift 1 place to the right. Okay, so how about divide by 100? Okay, so we have 300 divided by 100, so we got 0 at ones Okay, 0 at tens and 3 at hundreds. Okay, so divide by 100 means what? Divide by 10 and then divide by 10 again, right? Divide by 10 again. So we are going to shift what? 2 places to the right. Okay, so let's starting from 3. So 3 from here to what? 2 places, right? So from here to here. Okay, it becomes 1's place, right? And 0 from here to somewhere here, and 1 from here to somewhere here, right? Because they are all zeros, so we can just ignore them. Okay, so that becomes decimal, right? So that becomes decimal, but we can ignore them because they are zeros. So in this case, we only have what? We only have 3. So it equals to 3, which it is at 1's place, right? 1's place. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. So 82,000 divided by 1,000. Okay, again, so we have what? 3 zeros. So 1's place is 0, 10's and 100's place, they're all zeros. And 2 at 1,000's place and 8 at 10,000's place. Okay, so again, divide by 1,000. That equals to divide by 10. Oops, not very pretty 0. So divide by 10 again. And divide by 10 again. Okay, so that means we're going to what? Shift 3 places to the right, right? So we already know we have 8 here at 10,000's place. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to shift 8 to here. Okay, to here. And 2 also, 2 from 1,000's place to 1, 2, 3, right? So to the 1's place. Okay, so to the 1's place. And all the 3 zeros are going to be somewhere there, right? Somewhere here. So, but they are all zeros, so we can ignore them because we already reached 1's place. Okay, so in this case, it equals to 82. All right, so now let's take a look at decimals. Okay, so we have here 1.2 times 10. So what's the difference between the whole number, between this and the whole numbers that we've just talked about? All right, so we have 1 at 1's place and 2 at 1 over 10's place, right? So 10's place, right? So times 10, that means what we've just talked about, we are going to shift it from right to left, right? So we shift it here, we shift it here, right? So times 10, we'll get what? 12. Okay, so 1.5 times 100. Again, 5 is here, okay, and 1 is here, 1's place. Okay, but this time we times 100. That means we are going to shift 2 places to the left, right? So 5 from here to 10's place, and 1 from here to 100's place. Okay, so A equals to 150. Okay, so next example, we have 0.132 times 1,000. So here we have 2 at 1,000's place, okay, 3 at 100's place, and 1 at 10's place, okay, and basically 0 at 1's place. Okay, so times 1,000, that means we're going to shift what? 3 places to the left. Okay, so 3 places to the left, that means 2 from here to here. Or I can draw it here, that might be more clear. So 2 from here to here, 3 places, right? 1, 2, 3. So it becomes it placed at 1's place, and 3 from here to here, right? So again, 1, 2, 3, right? So, and 1 from here to 1, 2, 3 from here to here, right? So in the end, we have what? 132. Okay, so again, let's take a look at the division. So 734 divided by 10. Okay, we got 7 here, 100th place, 3 10th place, and 4 1st place. So divide by 10 means we're going to shift 1 place to the right. So 4 become what? 10ths, right? And 3 becomes 1st place. Okay, and 7 goes to 10th place. Okay, so in the end we have 73.4. All right, so next example, we have 4,589 divided by 100. So divide by 100, that means we are going to shift 2 places to the right, right? So we have first, let's identify. So we have 4,000, so 4 here, 1,000th place, 5 here, okay, 8 here, and 9 here at 1's place. Okay, we are going to shift 2 places to the right. That means what? 4 from here to 1, 2, so it becomes 10th place, from 1,000th place to 10th place, and 5 from 100th place to what? 1's place, right? So 1's place. And 8 from 10th place to what? 10th place, right? So 1 over 10. So here, and 9 from here to here. Okay, so in the end we have 45.89. Okay, so next example, we have 34 divided by 1,000. So this time we are going to shift 3 places to the right, right? So we have 4 at 1's place and 3 at 10th place, right? So 4 here and 3 here, and let's move them. So 4 here, so 1, 2, 3, so count 1,000th place, okay? Move to 1,000th place, and 3 from here, 1, 2, 3 becomes 100th place. So in the end, we have 0.034. So 1,000th place, 100th place. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.